It's June 27, 2025, in Ocala, Florida. Marion County deputies spot a silver Kia with dark window tint and a deliberately obscured tag driving suspiciously near Southeast 110th Street. The driver pulls into a parking lot as if he's going to stop, but without warning, he throws the Kia in reverse and slams into the front of the deputy's cruiser. At this point, the suspect has already committed felony assault on a law enforcement officer. That alone justifies a pursuit under Florida policy. But what really matters here is the unknown variable in the back seat: a child, completely unrestrained, caught in a moving, violent crime scene. This isn't just fleeing, it's recklessly endangering life at every turn.
Get out the car! Get out the car! Get out the car! Stop or I will shoot you! Get out the car! Get out the car! .6403, man, they just tried to ram me. He just went through a fence. He's headed out the Silver Road. Silver four-door made a left on Silver Road.
Silver four-door left on Silver Road.
We're going eastbound on Silver Road currently. I do believe he was trying to run me over at one point, Marion. Made a right on Emerald Road. We're going northbound towards Mary Camp. Man, we got 70 miles an hour, about to come out of Mary Camp. He's driving pretty carelessly, we advise him. They want me to continue. You hear a reversal? 26, I do believe you're trying to run me over. We just made a left on 79th Avenue.
The suspect, 24-year-old Jordan Skeene, blows through stop signs, crashes through two wooden fences, and slams into a parked car. The Kia goes airborne at one intersection and plows over mailboxes in another, all while deputies are trying to avoid secondary crashes in tight neighborhoods. Eventually, Skeene makes it to Southeast 88th Street, where a deputy performs a pit maneuver that sends the Kia spinning into a neighbor's front yard.
Chase you! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Bike mail, white beanie hat, gray shorts, black shirt, camo pants. Get on the ground! There's a K9 over there waiting on you! Taser! Get on the face! Get down!
Seconds later, Skeene bolts into the woods but doesn't get far. Deputies catch him quickly. When officers run up to the vehicle, they find a toddler in the back seat, crying, unbuckled, and surrounded by debris. Under Florida law, using force to stop this vehicle was not only justified, it was necessary to protect a child in imminent danger. Had deputies waited longer, this could have ended in tragedy.
Anything. It's a ladder. Search for some more. I believe you have one in the spring lane way.
Get in that car. You ain't getting nothing.
No, I was asking.
You ain't getting nothing. Get in the car. I didn't double lock those. I need to catch my breath.
Back at the car, they find more than just reckless damage. There's a loaded 9mm handgun tucked beside the driver's seat, right near the door, and within easy reach during the chase. Officers also discover items consistent with illegal drug activity. Skeene is a convicted felon, currently on probation until 2027, and legally barred from owning a firearm. Now he's facing a list of charges that includes child endangerment, fleeing and eluding, aggravated assault on law enforcement, drug possession with intent to sell, and unlawful firearm possession. In total, deputies say Skeene showed the pinnacle of selfishness, turning a minor stop into a full-scale emergency. The 1-year-old was taken into protective custody, and Skeene was booked into the Marion County Jail without bond. Authorities are also investigating whether this was part of a larger drug trafficking pattern. So here's the question. When someone drives like this, with a child in the car, a gun nearby, and drugs in the console, should they ever be eligible for probation again? Or is this the kind of case where prison time becomes the only responsible outcome? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you want more real police body cam cases broken down with facts and expert insight, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.